I'm here to talk about something incredibly important. You're considering purchasing a property in Bangalore? Property verification and due diligence plays a very important role. When we talk about the due diligence, we are referring to the process of thorough checking the property documents before you make a purchase. Why is this crucial? Simply put, it's to ensure that the property you are planning to purchase is legally clean, free from any legal hindrances, disputes, or any financial liabilities. You need to make sure that the seller is the rightful owner and has the authority to sell the property to you. Sometimes the properties are mortgaged to a bank, or there may be any pending litigation, legal cases. If the property is under mortgage, the seller might not have the right to sell the property. So you must check that the property is free from any encumbrance. Also, we need to check if someone else is claiming rights over the property. In some cases, you may find there are multiple people claiming ownership over the property, or a property might be tied up with the legal disputes. If you don't confirm this beforehand, you might end up in a lengthy and costly legal battle. So always verify that there are no third-party claims. Doing due diligence is the best way to protect yourself from the future headaches or financial losses. Now let us talk about the title deeds. The title deeds is a legal document that proves the ownership of the property. It's crucial to verify that the title deed is valid. To ensure you are buying a property with a clean title, you need to perform a title search. The title search is a process that helps verify the ownership history of the property. To ensure that the seller is the legitimate owner and that the property has no legal issues or disputes attached to it. What does the title search involve? You need to check several documents such as original title deeds like sale deed, gift deed, and mortgage documents or encumbrance certificates, property tax, especially now e-khatas, and also on Rajkalwe, Nala issues, etc. And you would also need to know if there is any court judgment. A due diligence report also helps you confirm the chain of ownership, which means tracking the ownership history to ensure that there is no gaps or discrepancies. No proper building plan approval may lead to a demolition of the building. Recently, property constructed on the Rajkalwe was also demolished. Post due diligence, it's time to move towards the sale agreement. The sale agreement outlines the terms and conditions of the transactions, such as what is the total sale consideration, payment details, time duration, assurances from the seller, and if there is any damages to be covered up. It's a legal contract and it must be reviewed very carefully. Subsequently, you need to register the sale deed, very important stage. You need to produce the sale deed to the sub-registrar office, register the document at the sub-registrar with all the property transactions, etc. When you go to the jurisdictional sub-registrar office, be prepared for possible delays. Sometimes documents are missing or the process may take longer than the expected. But with proper preparation, you can fast track the registration and avoid unnecessary holdups. Make sure you have all the documents are complete and in order before visiting the sub-registrar office. When you are buying property, you are making a significant investment. Taking a simple steps, checking the property legal status, performing a title search, and ensuring everything is registered properly. This will go a long way in protecting you from fraud and legal issues down the road. Since it's your lifetime earning to be invested on the property, reach out to the legal expert at NoBroker to guide you through the process.